Hi creative people, today we are shooting a couple in a beautiful park on Long Island, New York. It's about 2:15 p.m. and we have a nice mix between clouds and blue sky, and come shoot with me. Like we're gonna start classic photo, like Instagram, like right next to each other. So put your arms around each other. Yes. Get you warmed up. Perfect. Melissa, can you just like lean on him?
Like this?
Yep.
With my hand?
Yep, whatever feels good. Beautiful. And then Joe, face her a little more and just put your arm like on her arm or on her back. Yeah. Perfect. Joe's just I told you, it's gonna feel weird a couple times. Cute. And now look at each other. And now go to kiss, but don't kiss. Like almost like you're gonna touch noses. Okay, wait. Here's a tip. when I like say go to kiss, don't be like, because nobody likes photos like that. Like no one's face looks good. So just like, okay, just like, yeah, like you're gonna smell each other's face.
On my hand.
Just put it right on his chest. Yeah. Ready, you go. Pretty. And now, no, it's okay. Okay, perfect. Now Joe, go behind her, and you're both facing me, and hold hands down here. And then on the count of 3, Joe, you're gonna bear scoop her really fast. And Melissa, it's the funniest thing you've ever done. And just when you do that, Joe, just be mindful that your head goes on like one side of her head. Okay.
What's this, left? My head will go left.
Right,
yeah.
Yeah.
To laugh as well?
Just laugh. Yeah. It's gonna feel really stupid. So laugh at yourself feeling really stupid. Okay. Hold on. Right here. Perfect. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. And now shake around like this. Make your hair move. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Relax. Cute. So I just want you guys to extend really further and then pull each other in. Like I want this to be candid, okay? Because like in the midst of like all the stupid faces, you both are gonna make really cute like yeah, just I want you both to be moving and laughing. Okay, ready, go. Pull in, yeah, one more time. And then when you pull in, go for a hug. 1, 2, 3, hug. Yay. Cute. Okay, let's migrate. Got enough good stuff here. Alright, ready? Go, guys. Look at each other. Big smile. Yeah, pull in. Cute. Yeah, that's awesome. And now, like, jump into him almost. Like, you're going to jump into his arms. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Aw, cute. Love that. Ooh, Joe, can you, like, have her go back on her, you like a piggyback ride? Oh, and take your jacket off for this. 3. Perfect. Oh my god, so cute. And now Joe, just like swing around. Yeah, cute. And now Melissa, like go like you're gonna like whisper something in his ear to make him laugh. And now Joe, kind of look up at her. Haha. Okay, got it. Oh, so cute.
I sure know.
Super cute. Okay, you can put her down. Now, Joe, you're gonna go behind her. Jump behind. No, I'm just kidding. And you're gonna kind of like go like this. I'm trying to show them what. Okay, and you're gonna hold both hands right like on her chest. Hold her hands.
And what do I do?
Yep, and you're like this. Tip your head this way just so he can fit with your hat. Yep. And now bring your head more close. Yes, perfect. Hold that right there. Oh wait, you have a little hair flying off your hat.
You're the best.
There's a hair on my hat. Oh, it was just going up. And but the way the light was, it was like neon streamer. Okay, perfect. And Joe, you're gonna like, just like right here on her neck, just like, go like, just make her laugh. And then look into him, Melissa. Yes. And go, do like a little snuggle. Aww. Cute. Okay. All right, let's keep moving. Is she? Okay, does it feel secure for like a few minutes?
Yeah, for a few minutes.
Okay. Cool. How modest are you, Melissa? Are you like, would you post a picture like if you were to open your legs and him go in between them?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. Some people are like,
No, What are you thinking?
Okay, just Joe, I want you to be like here. Like. Okay. And facing her. Yeah. And now Melissa, just put your hands like on the side of his head.
This one?
Yep, down a little bit more on his neck. Perfect. And this is a serious one, Joe. He's like this.
Stop squinting.
If it helps, go like in her shadow. Like move a little bit this way so that you don't have to squint. Better? Yeah.
Okay, what do you want me to do with this hand?
You can just put it on his shoulder back there. Perfect. And the hand that's closest to me, just bring it like a little bit up his neck more. So I can, like right here.
Oh.
There we go.
Like that?
Yeah. And now both of you extend your chins to each other. Yep. And like you're gonna go in for a kiss. Where am I going? I don't want to back into Justin. Okay, ready? Go in for like just, you're gonna sniff each other's noses. Yes. Joe, the hand that's in her your pocket, put it right on her thigh. Yeah. Cute. And now laugh and like almost like you're gonna touch mouths and laugh. Okay, got it. Cute. All right. Spicy. Come on down. I'm just testing my light here. Cool. All right. Melissa, can you hook onto his shoulder right there? Yeah, cute. And Joe, you're looking at her. Beautiful. Hold that right there. Melissa, look up at Joe. I'm going for a little snuggly snuggle with your noses. I know it's hard to reach. Cute. Hold that right there. Big laugh. Ha ha ha. Awesome. Okay, now kind of sit facing each other. Ooh, this is like my favorite spot right now because the light is reflective of the water. Perfect. Actually, Melissa, can you like kind of sit like this? Like bring your feet up, kind of, right, like on where your butt is? Yeah. Maybe not, like maybe just put one leg up and the other one can dangle. Yeah, perfect, perfect. That way you guys can get really close.
What do you want me to do?
Just scoot towards her a little more.
Scoot?
Scoot, scoot, scoot.
Your boot.
Scoot, scoot.
Yeah.
Scoot that booty.
And then hold hands right in the middle. Yep, and now lean towards each other, almost like you're gonna touch noses again. Beautiful. I love that. And Joe, go like you're gonna kiss her neck on the other side, and Melissa, you're gonna laugh. Haha, it's so cute. And look right at me, Melissa. And Joe, look at me. Bring your head around. You can turn around more if you need to. Perfect, and heads together. Cute. Cute. And look at each other.
I know.
Cute. Ready, go, Melissa. Cute, love it. Okay. You guys are easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh, I feel like I have a turtle on my back. You have a turtle? Joey. Oh, you
Thanks, bro.
got everything? When you are 1, 2, 3, go. Pull it in. Hey, okay. I think we got it.
Feel a little frisky here.
Should I have to move?
No, that was good. Let's do it one more time and then we'll switch. Big smiles this time. You're so happy to be pulling each other in. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Got it. Love it. Wow. Little farmhouse. Cha cha cha. Yeah. This time we're gonna switch. So Joe, manly sit against there.
Got a little buckwheat there.
And then, what does it look like if you do it with 2 hands to pull her into you? Let's just say 1, 2, 3. I like that, but let me change my direction.
Don't step on the freaking.
Wait.
All right, ready, and action, big smiles. That's cute. This time though, when you pull her in, let go of her hand so that she could like.
Oh yeah.
Ready, and hold on, let me find a good spot. Ready, and sorry. Ready, and action. Cute. Hold on, hold that right there. You can put your foot down though.
Me too.
Whatever. Just get comfortable. Doesn't matter. Touch bellies. Woo. Hold that right there, and then actually, just gonna move you guys. Okay. Hold on, just getting my light right. Let's see. It's like a big tree growing out of Joe's head. Okay, this is perfect.
Oh, it's there.
I love how your hands are. Can you put like your hands a little lower though, Melissa? Sorry. Lower on him. Yeah. Yeah, you know that looks weird. Just put them like on his shoulder. How would, yeah, I like that. Okay, perfect. Hold that there. Cute. Now go to snuggle again with your faces. Gorge. Hold that right there.
Have her put them both together in the middle of his chest.
Okay, yeah, let's do that since we got a creative director. You put your hands in the middle of
That way he's not feeling them up.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty. Cute. Hold that there. You're just looking and smiling at each other. Everything is great. We get one on Melissa's face. Baby in the background. Going for a kiss, but not all the way. Big laugh. Ha ha! Okay, got it. Yay! I think we're done. That's all the ideas I have.